Since 1939, Aclima has been making innovative, functional wool clothing. In any textile production, there is a challenge of making practical and effective use of fabric and minimizing waste. With our new ReBorn shirt, we have challenged ourselves and explored new possibilities. The fabric used in this shirt is made of merino wool cut-offs from Aclima's factory. The cut-offs are recycled and made into a new unique fabric without re-dyeing the wool. This saves on water chemicals and energy. The result is Aclima's first product made from recycled material. The details have been carefully chosen to reduce the environmental impact. For example, the buttons are made out of coconut shell. With ReBorn, we have been able to utilize our fabric cut-offs, turning them into premium outdoor clothing. ReBorn by Aclima.